non-reservation scholars. And so I was really looking at this through butchering, because I myself hadn't lived on the reservation, and at the time of my dissertation completion for quite some time. And I was going through this process of reintegrating. And reintegrating as a researcher is quite different than just coming home, because all of a sudden you're associated with the researchers, right? For you guys who take my Indigenous Research Methods class, we talk about Linda T. Smith and the fact that any research, right? Research has a bad taste in any Indigenous language. And so you no longer are Shias, you no longer are, are Che. You start to be like, oh, well, that's the researcher, right? Even as Navajo people, we start to label ourselves now as the researcher, and people treat you a little bit differently. And because it takes time, it takes a pathway of trust that you have to build, not just with the community, but with the knowledge itself.